Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what it means, I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now and I'll be back at market open. I have an order at 52.70 here for a put. I am looking to do options. If you're not sure what I mean by options, just let me know in the comment section, guide please, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. And it'll walk you through terminology, how all this stuff works. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that one out. And options, they can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be, and I definitely approach them in what I would say in a more simplistic way. I'm going to change that to actually 52.50. So if that's how you like to approach things in more simplified, straightforward ways, then I'm very confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment below, guide please, and I'll link you to that. And I should note options are great if you have a smaller account. Not necessarily why I do them, but if you do have a smaller account, then they are, they offer a lot of benefits to that situation. All right, I will pause for now, but I'll keep an eye on it. All right, going to try again here at 52.50. Okay, in there at 52.50 for a put. And out for $50 on that one. I'll go ahead and pause. Did I even hit record in the first place? I think I did. I did. All right, very good. So just quick $50. Okay, I have an order at 47.50 here. See if the pricing can come down a bit more. Going to change that down to 47 now. I will go ahead and pause. I have an order at 46.10 for a call. Close. Okay, at this point, let's just go to 45.70. In at 45.70. See if it wants to bounce up a bit here. Try 46 now. So just had to take $30 on that one. Went a little bit, and in hindsight would have been okay, but went a bit more against me than I would have liked to have seen. So never reached the point where I needed to go into loss control mode or anything like that, but did reach the point where I thought, I better not go for my original plan. All right, I need to stop talking. Let's go to 41.50 here and just start the process over again. Quite the move here. I'm going to throw out one at 39.50 actually instead. So we'll see if this wants to come down some more. I will pause for now. Okay, was at 39.50. Did not get filled though. At 90, I'd be interested. So in fact, let me change strike prices now at this point. There we go. Again, when I say strike price, if you don't know what I mean by that, totally fine. Just let me know. Comment section below, guide, and I will link you to that. So I want 88. It's going to be right around $49 mark. It looks 49. So I'll pause for now. I have an order at 44.30, and I'm in at 44.30 for a call. I'm going to order right now at 43 here. Or 44. I think I might have said I had an order at 43. I have an order at 44. So I am in loss control mode now. So out for a $30 loss on that one. Clearly, wow. Well, hindsight could have, shoulda. No, not necessarily, because I got in at 44.30. But that's hindsight regardless. So there we go. There is one where I had to go into loss control mode. And you know, I realized I was down more than that, but that's why I don't like to panic out. Give it a chance to come up. Sure, I put myself at risk of, you know, having it continue to drop, and then yeah, that loss is bigger than the $30. But there's a flip side, whereas had I just, you know, gotten out at the lows, then I'm taking a way bigger loss than what I actually needed to. So it does go both ways, but my statistics suggest that you know, if you just play it that way, it's not foolproof. And if you've watched past videos, you've seen sometimes where I kind of get stuck in the sense of, okay, I probably should have just taken, you know, X amount of loss and I ended up with something bigger. But here is a situation where, you know, had I panicked out and sold down low, you know, it would have been a much bigger loss than it actually needed to be. So did not work out, had to go in loss control mode, but it happens. You can't always be right. I will pause. Have an order at 39.50 here, in at 39.50 for a call. In at 39.50. See what it wants to do here. This point, 39.80. So there we go. So was looking for a bit of a quicker bounce, and it did come up a little bit, but as you're seeing right now, absolutely zero follow through. So I was starting to question even if I could get enough bounce to get that $50. And right now I feel just fine about it as it maybe comes back down, but to be fair, yeah. So I was right in the sense of it wanted to bounce a little bit, but I was wrong in the sense of I didn't give, well, there it is. So I would have been fine now, but again, this is all hindsight I'm speaking in. All right, I'll pause. But yes, so it took $30 on that one. So back to break even, which is why that down here is no longer a negative 30 because I made 30 bucks on it. So just back to break even. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 47 here for a call. In at 47 for a call, and out for $50 on that one. Very nice. I will pause, and I'm actually going to go ahead and call it good. So overall, a pretty lackluster day. Only 2 of, I think, 5 trades worked out. The other ones had to take a couple $30, had that loss on the one. So yeah, not exactly what I was hoping for, but you know, you don't get what you hope for every day in trading, and that's just how it goes. But in a weird way, I guess I'm glad I captured at least one loss, because you can see, just take the loss, don't make things worse, cut it, and then, you know, you don't have to trade impressively to get that loss back. Because yeah, I lost, but You can say, well, Clay, you only made $30 to wipe it away. Yeah, exactly, because it was only a $30 loss. Sometimes it's never easy to take a loss, but within the bigger picture, it is the healthy thing to do, as you saw here. So overall, like I said, lackluster day with a loss, but that's how it goes. And overall, though, I'll take it. So if you appreciate the transparency, if you appreciate me just showing these days that are pretty lackluster, then hit that like button, leave a comment below, things like that. Help out the channel, help out to let me know that you are enjoying these live trade videos. And as long as I know you're enjoying, I will continue to do them because they are not easy to do. To sit here live, talk to you, think for myself, execute orders, make alerts in our chat room, a lot of stuff going on. I don't say that looking for pity. I just say it to build context that if you do like these, please let me know because they're not exactly easy. So thanks for hanging out. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.